What makes Unavailable unique in my mind is that you do both woven and knit. I mean, in my book, I tell people that basically almost all factories are either knit or woven because the fabric handles differently under the machines, and most factories just want to focus on either knit or woven. Why did you create your factory where you have both knit and woven sewing capabilities?
Simply put, because we opened our own brand. And our own brand, if you're going to have your own clothing line in contemporary, you need to be able to supply both, as a brand. So we did it back in the early days. And the target customers we were going after were not big customers. So these guys do not have a 25-man production team that can send garments all over the place. They maybe have one person looking after production, or the owner looks after production. So they want to deal with as fewer factories as possible. So they would generally, a lot of the brands that we make for even today, we would take 50 or 80 or 100% of their actual clothing manufacturing, and we would do both their knit and their woven. They might go to another factory for their caps and their bags and their accessories, but realistically then they're only doing the two factories. And we are about producing contemporary fashion labels. I don't just look for Walmart or Gap or H&M massive long-running orders of 1 million pieces over one style. No, we do small runs of high quality, high detail styling, and we do both knit and woven. And people are still like, you do both? I'm like, yeah, of course we do both. We have to.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks, and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.